What makes a gaming keyboard? Well, they're built with special switches, gamer hotkeys, and often customizable lights that allow it to blend in perfectly with your gaming setup. Let's dive into the main features that you need to look out for when finding your perfect gaming keyboard. While most look plain black at first glance, they often come to life when connected, adorned with customizable RGB light effects. Some even have switchable keycaps, interchangeable cables, and swappable faceplates, so you can change it up to complement your setup. Wired or wireless? Wireless offers freedom to move around, but wired ensures a stable connection, especially in competitive gaming. There's so many looks out there to suit every style, from retro to cute. Size is key. Opt for a 10 keyless or TKL design for a compact layout that saves space for other peripherals, or choose a full-size keyboard that maximizes a full set of hotkeys and a number pad for quick access. Mechanical switches are the go-to, providing tactile feedback for enhancing your gaming experience. The feel is down to personal preference, and each type is designated by colour. Red or linear is usually smooth and quiet, blue is quite clicky with more resistance, and brown is tactile for a good balance between typing and gaming. If you want a reliable keyboard, always consider brand reputation and build quality. If you value durability, performance, and brand-specific features, then you can go for more trusted names like Asus, Razer, and Corsair. But these can be a bit more expensive, but if you're aiming for something more aesthetic from a smaller brand, then there are some brilliant options out there that play with different theming and displays, or even let you build your own. Follow Box for more tips on gaming tech.